welcome back to my channel. I got my mama here. Pat, Patricia, Patricia, Changuita, Flaquita,
Gordita.
All right, so last year my mom wrapped a bunch of gifts and you guys really loved it. So this year I brought her onto YouTube to show you guys what she's gonna do with the gifts this year. We have a bunch of shipping boxes that we saved throughout the year so that we could just repurpose them for Christmas gifts. Mom, what's your vision?
Well, last year we did many natural colors, browns, and we used greenery. This year we're trying to we're gonna be using the same natural color, but we're gonna enhance more the bows and the ribbons.
More festive?
More luxury, more festive,
Ooh,
more
rich.
rich.
And I will be supervising.
Yeah, my supervisor.
I'm a supervisor. I've never been good at wrapping gifts. I have like a vision, like adding all the bows and all that stuff is like where I live. The wrapping part looks like a crumpled up piece of toilet paper when I do it. So got moms here.
That's right.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. What's the first up, Mom? What are we doing?
So we're gonna wrap this box with the white paper because we are going to do more white wrapping paper for the tree at the entrance.
Winter Wonderland.
Winter Wonderland, that's right.
Okay, so where did we get this white paper from?
This one we got it from Michael's.
We got it from Michael's.
Mm-hmm.
So my mom learned a technique on TikTok for wrapping gifts and creating a tape tab so that when you gift it to somebody, all they have to do is pull the tab and the wrapping paper comes off very easily.
And it's fun to unwrap. I know some people enjoy just going at it and
shredding
rip it, but this is fun too.
Okay, so you take some tape.
And then you just tape it in the inside of the wrapping paper, all across.
Okay.
Okay, this might look complicated because we're using, the tape that we have, so we're cutting it in half, but you can use any tape.
You were covering.
Masking tape is good.
So you fold it over to create a tab here.
So now we're just gonna wrap it.
So now you just do the basic wrapping, right, Mom?
Yes, the regular basic that everybody knows. Now we just do this.
Tape?
I usually can do it by myself, but because we are filming, I need some help.
You're basically trying to get me to look like I'm doing something. You're helping me.
Okay, then put it right here. So now, like we said, we have this tape right here, so if you want to open the gift, it's like that.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Wow. That was the pull tab. Okay, we just did that to show you. Now we're gonna go ahead and pre-wrap the gifts with the paper that we have, and then we're gonna show you guys how we decorate them. Since we've already shown you how to wrap, we're gonna be using white paper. We're gonna be using this brown natural paper. We also have some silver paper and some really pretty natural paper with some Christmas trees on it, all from Michael's. And then we also have a gold paper. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap all of this.
This white box, we're gonna do this color. Do you like it?
Gorge, love it.
Okay, so what we do is right here you go and then you twist it. So you can always see the right side on the bow. Come back again and then you twist it again right here in the center. Come back again, twist.
So you're just doing like figure eights and twisting.
Mm-hmm. And I'm holding it in the center. So now we're going to tie it with this. And then fold this like this. And I'm gonna cut it in a diagonal.
Oh, so that it makes it.
Mm-hmm. And now we're gonna do this with this rope, beautiful silver one.
Use the pipe cleaner and wrap it around that. Oh.
And we probably can add like something else, maybe.
Oh, here we go. My favorite part.
I don't know if it's going to
go with the vibes.
I think so.
So this is the first gift. Just adding this little bit of greenery makes such a difference, I feel like.
It makes a difference.
It adds a little color.
More color and
more life.
Holiday. Okay, I know. We're just gonna make this one very simple with this beautiful ribbon.
This is our more festive vibe box, because you know we went a little bit more pops of red traditional with our tree. Well, I wouldn't say our tree is traditional back here, but you know, we added red basically, so we did, huh, Mom?
A little bit of red. This I got it from downtown LA.
So this is the finish number 2. We just, more traditional. Again, the foliage at the top. My mom just used a little super glue to get the leaves to stick. And we use the leaves to cover some of the tape that we put down, right, Mom?
Right.
Adds a nice pop. It's very festive. It goes with our tree perfectly. So cute. This is the next ribbon that we are going to use. It says peace, Merry Christmas, season's greetings.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. It has a bunch of writing on it. So we're going to be using this ribbon on the gold wrapping paper now. So we're making a big bow. We're going to add foliage.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I use another of this.
I like this ribbon a lot.
Yeah, this one is gonna look very pretty with.
Oh, hi, Harper.
I'm twisting the wire underneath.
The pipe cleaner.
Mm-hmm.
I actually didn't know that that's how you attached it. I mean, you can attach it many different ways, I'm sure, but just cutting off the excess.
Make it more scrunch.
I like with this one too, you could just like...
It looks so pretty.
Yes. Yes. Show her off, Mom. She's gorgeous. This is the finished gold box here. Good job, Mom, you killed this. Murdered it. Amazing, phenomenal. Wait, I wanted to show some of Mom's last year boxes because I know you guys loved these. A lot of people asked to see more of these. I'm gonna reuse these. We wrapped these just for decor. Here we have another one. Pine cones and then the burlap ribbon. Super simple and chic. And Mom loves this one. This is one of her faves. She made a flower out of the burlap ribbon. And then we added the greenery, which, you know, it's a little bit dead now, the greenery. We saved it, but it's still super cute. All right, so now we're moving on to white wrapping paper and this brown hempy situation. Similar vibe, crisscross.
And we just tied it here.
Ooh, yeah, that's beautiful.
It's a furry, like a furry poinsettia or magnolia. It was the last one they had. Everybody was fighting over everything.
Pretty. So you guys can just go to Michael's and pick up pretty floral pieces. You could use natural flowers. You could use olive branches. You just kind of have to grab things that you have around and apply them to this, right, Mom?
Right. And then we can also use more of these.
Foliage. How did you learn how to wrap gifts, Mom? Is it just...
Well, it's tradition. We all learn how to do that in the old times. When we used to go to school, we will get our books for every year. Before we use them, we have to put paper to protect them.
Oh, yeah. Remember I used to make you do my books for school?
Yes.
I still, like, even in high school, my mom would wrap my books for me, and in elementary school, you always had to have your books wrapped.
I'm gonna put a little bit more glue here to spread them nicely.
Here's the problem, is that my mom was so good at doing it. I would just be like, Mom, can you do this for me?
It was always...
Do people still have to do that in school?
Not anymore.
People don't even
they have
books.
computers now. They have a laptop.
Digital.
Yeah.
Is it done?
I think it's done.
Ta-da! Gorge. This one is very elegant. Simple, yet elegant. All right, we're gonna do one last gift. And for that, we're gonna go with a green vibe all around. So we're gonna be using this beautiful green ribbon that has the gold sparkly detailing. And then we have some green, some tings to put on the top. Ooh, you're going in with the twine too.
Yeah, I mean, this is what you like.
She knows I love a good twine moment. I try really hard every year to want to do something different, but I like what I like, right, Mom?
That's right.
I think when I have my own kids, like I'll probably have a more traditional, just for them, just so the kids, you know, because it's like special Christmases. You don't want to be too chic for the kids.
You're gonna be doing like lots of figures, Santa Claus.
I want it to be very jolly when I have kids, but right now, because it's just me and, you know, Steven and you guys, I could be selfish and be like, I want it to be chic, elegant.
When the kids come,
When
they're gonna call the shots.
I want, like, you know, the tree to have all different types of ornaments. This is what I think I'm gonna do. This is my plan. I'm gonna have 2 trees every year. One of them's gonna be mommy's tree, where it's mommy's vibe, you know, in one room, but then in the main living room, it's gonna be kids' tree, and it's gonna have all the ornaments that we collect over the years. You know, every year we'll get like a special ornament, and they'll all be different, it'll be cute.
Make the collection. Like
Yeah, make a
people do that,
collection,
right?
a special collection. I've always wanted to do that.
And then right here, we're gonna do the ribbon.
I love that.
Do you wanna do it?
Yes, let me try it. So I've been watching. So you wrap a loop.
But you need to flatten right here. See, like this. And then this one, you need to twist it.
Okay, always twist.
And then right here, you hold it right there, okay?
Great.
You're gonna hold it right here. Make sure you grab it really good, right there.
Okay. I go like this.
And then twist it.
Bigger?
A little bit bigger. Has to be bigger than the first one.
Okay.
Right there.
Twist it.
And hold it.
And then wrap. Okay.
And this one a little bit bigger than that one.
Oh, you have to keep making it bigger.
Yes. Not, a little bit
I'm
more.
going more.
Right there, right
Okay.
there.
Then,
And you keep it underneath each other, okay?
okay. After that, we're gonna cut and she's gonna redo it. Watch.
No, it's your neck.
I know how you do.
Okay, we'll just leave it at 7 because that's your lucky number. You like that number?
Yes, it is. That was my soccer number. All right, is this pretty, Mom? Tell me
Yes,
it's pretty.
it's gonna be very beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna put the wire here.
Okay.
Don't let it go. Let it go slowly. Okay, take your finger out.
Okay.
Now you can go like this. Make it.
You go in and out, right? Or like one in, one out? Fold it in half. Then just go this way, right?
This way.
This way.
Like that, like this.
I know. We're here, right? We have these little green
Decorations.
decor. They're like sparkly balls. How are you attaching these? Are you just...
I'm attaching them to the cord, to the twine. With the wire is wire. So just wrap them on it.
Oh, cute.
I mean, you cannot see it, but that's what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah, because the end of them are wire.
I don't know. What do you think?
Super cute. And this is our last and final gift. You did an amazing job. You're such an artist. My mom's so creative. I get my creativity from this woman over here. This is where I get it from.
But I think I need to warm up more because
Well,
the
this is-
creativity
this-
starts flowing later.
Yes.
And,
No, you did excellent, Mom. And it's your first YouTube video where you're taking
Yeah, it's the first one
lead,
because
so-
last time it was more easier for me.
Yeah.
Because you really were not focusing on me. You were doing other things, and then this time it's more.
She felt a little like the camera's on me, but
And the heat of the lamp. I don't know how you do it.
I bake.
Oh my God.
She said, I don't know how you do this. She said, it's so hot.
It's hot. It's a lot of pressure to do it.
So let's lay out all the gifts that we made, Mom.
Yeah, sure.
You like how I say we?
Yes, because you were part of it too.
Spiritually, I was part of it. These are the finished gifts, just a special way to wrap your gifts and add a little extra something, something. Like I said, use things around the house, different types of ribbon. I love adding foliage, so Mom, you did amazing. Thanks so much for
Thank you, my
putting
assistant.
in all
You
the
did very
hard
good
work.
too.
I was a little elf. I just sat here and drank my hot chocolate. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. And if you do recreate some of these gift ideas, make sure to send us pictures on Twitter so I can show my mom. She'll be so excited. And that's it.
Thank you very much.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.